comparative statement profit and loss account. Question number 17. First, comparative statement of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2016 and 17. Prepare column particular, note number, amount 2016, amount 2017, absolute change B value minus A value, C is equal to B minus A, and percentage of absolute change, percentage of this value is equal to D is equal to C upon A into 100, absolute change amount upon previous year amount into 100. Clear? Given question, revenue from operation 2016 50 lakh rupees, 2016 50 lakh rupees, 2017 40 lakh rupees, 40 lakh. Other income 2 lakh, other income 2 lakh and 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Clear? 2 lakh and 1 lakh. Total 52 lakh. Total income and first value plus second value, and 41 lakh. 41 lakh. Expenses given: cost of material consumed 30 lakh, cost of material consumed 30 lakh and 20 lakh, 30 lakh and 20 lakh. Other expenses given 10 lakh and 7 lakh, 7 lakh. Clear? Total expenses 40 lakh, total 40 lakh, 20 lakh and 7 lakh, 27 lakh. Clear? Profit before tax, total income minus expenses 52 lakh minus 40 lakh, difference 12 lakh, 41 lakh and 27, difference 14 lakh. Clear? Difference clear? 14 lakh. Less tax, tax are not given, nil. Value same, 12 lakh and 14 lakh. Clear? Difference value B, C calculate B minus A. B value less than A value, current year value less than previous value, means negative 10 lakh, negative value in bracket 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh. Clear? 10 lakh, 41 lakh and 52 lakh, 11 lakh in bracket. Clear? 20 lakh and 30 lakh in bracket, 10 lakh, 7 lakh, 10 lakh in bracket, 3 lakh, 27 and 40 lakh in bracket, 13 lakh. Cross check, 10 lakh plus 3 lakh, 13 lakh. Clear? 11 lakh, 14 lakh, 12 lakh in bracket, 2 lakh. Bracket 2 lakh. Calculate percentage. Percentage 10 lakh into 100 upon 50 lakh. Clear? 20% in bracket, 20%. Clear? Next 1 lakh into 100 upon 2 lakh 50%. Clear? In bracket 50%. 11 lakh into 100 upon 52 lakh 21.15%. Next 10 lakh into 100 upon 30 lakh 33.33. Clear? Other expenses 3 lakh into 100 upon 10 lakh 30%. Clear? Next 13 lakh upon 40 lakh 32.5. Profit 2 lakh into 100 upon 12 lakh 16.67%. 16.67%. Clear? All amount decrease in this year, current year. All amount decrease in current year means business growth are very weak. बिजनेस की ग्रोथ बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, पॉलिसी को चेंज करना पड़ेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट for the year ended 31st March 2016 and 17. Particular note number, amount 2016, amount 2017, absolute change, percentage of absolute change. Clear? First, revenue from operation. Revenue from operation 2016, value given 4 lakh. Revenue from operation 4 lakh. 17 6 lakh. Clear? 4 lakh and 6 lakh. Other income not given. Add other income not given. Total income 4 lakh. First plus second is equal to third. 4 lakh and 6 lakh. Clear? Repeat again. And first value revenue operation, second value add income, other income are not given. Total income 4 lakh and 6 lakh. Clear? Cost of material consumed, expenses. What expenses? Number 1, cost of material consumed. Clear? 2016 60% of revenue operation means 4 lakh. 60% of 4 lakh. Clear? 2 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000. Repeat again. 60% of revenue from operation. Revenue operation 4 lakh. 4 lakh into 60 upon 100. 2 lakh 40,000. And 70% of 2017. 70% 6 lakh. 6 lakh into 70 upon 100. 4 lakh 20,000. 4 lakh 20,000. Clear? Other expenses and indirect expenses given 25% of cost of material consumed. 25%. 25% means 25 into 100. 2 lakh 40 into 25 upon 100. 60,000. Clear? 25%. And 2 lakh 40,000 into 60 upon 100. Clear? 25%. And 20% of this amount. 20% of 4 lakh 20,000. Any 84,000. Clear? 84,000. Total expenses 3 lakh 240 plus 60,000, 3 lakh, clear, 84, यानी 420 plus 84 5 lakh 4,000, 5 lakh 4,000, clear. 20% of this amount, 420 into 20 upon 100, 84,000, 420 plus 84 5 lakh 4,000. Profit before tax. Next, profit before tax, third value minus fourth value, 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 1 lakh, clear. 6 lakh minus 5 lakh 4,000, 96,000, 96,000, clear. Tax 40%, tax 40%, and 1 lakh into 40 upon 100, 40,000, clear. Difference value 1 lakh minus 40, 60,000, clear. And 96 into 40 upon 100, 38,400, minus 96, 57,600, 57,600. Repeat. Total income, total expenses 3 lakh and 5 lakh 4,000. Profit before tax, total income minus total expenses, 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 1 lakh, and 6 lakh minus 5 lakh 4,000, 96,000. Income tax paid on profit. On profit 40%, 1 lakh 40%, 40,000, 96,000 40%, 38,400. Profit after tax, clear. Fifth minus 6, fifth value 1 lakh, sixth value 40,000, profit after tax 60,000, and 96,000 minus 38,400, 57,600. Calculate absolute change. 6 lakh and 4 lakh, value 2 lakh, no amount, 2 lakh, clear. 420, 4 lakh 20,000 minus 240, 180, 84,000 minus 60,000, 24,000. Next, 180 plus 24, 2 lakh 4,000, clear. 5 lakh 4,000 minus 3 lakh, 96,000 minus 1 lakh, in the bracket 4,000, clear. Tax 1,600. Next, 57,600 minus 60,000, 20,400. Cross check 4,000 and 1,600, clear. 2,400. Calculate percent. Calculate percent, clear. Calculate percent. 2 lakh into 100 upon 4 lakh, 50%, clear. 50%. Positive 50%, clear. 1 lakh. Cost of material consumed 180 into 100 upon 2,40,000, 75%, 75%, clear. 24,000 into 100. Next, 24 into 100 upon 60,000, 40%. Next, 2,04,000 into 100, 2,04,000 into 100 upon 3 lakh, 68%, clear. Next, 4,000 into 100 upon 1 lakh 40% upon 100 1 lakh यानी 4,000 upon 100 4% in bracket. Clear? 4% and 1,600 into 100 upon 40,000 4%. Next 24 into 100 upon 60,000 2400 into 100 upon 60,000 4%. Clear? Repeat. Absolute change amount 2 lakh into 100 upon 4 lakh 50%. Amount equal, percent equal. Repeat. 1,80,000 into 100 upon 2,40,000. Calculate 75%. 24,000 into 100 upon 60,000 40%. 2,04,000 into 100 upon 3,60 8%. 4 lakh negative value 4,000 into 100 upon 1 lakh 4%. 1,600 into 100 upon 40,000 4%. Clear? 2,400 negative value into 100 upon 60,000 4%. Question number 19. Comparative statement of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2016 and 17. Particular, note number, amount 2016, amount 2017, absolute change, percentage of absolute change. A, B. C calculate B minus A and D calculate C value upon A value into 100. Clear? Question. First, revenue from operation. Value given, revenue from operation value 16, 12 lakh. 16, 12 lakh. 17, 15 lakh. Other income are not given, nil. Clear? First plus second, third total, first given 12 lakh, second are not given, total 12 lakh. Total 12 lakh. 15 lakh, first, second not given, total 15 lakh. Fourth, expenses. Expenses number 1, purchase of stock in trade. Purchase of stock in trade given 7 lakh, 7 lakh and 10 lakh and 10 lakh. Change in inventory 1 lakh, change in 1 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000. Other expenses 10% of revenue from operation and 8% of revenue from operation. First 10% of revenue operation, any 1 lakh 12 lakh into 10 upon 100, 1 lakh 20,000. Clear? Repeat. Other expenses given 10% and 8% of revenue from operation value. 10% 12 lakh 120, 8% 15 lakh 120. Clear? 120. Total expenses 7 lakh 1, 8 lakh 1, 9 lakh 20,000. 10 lakh plus 1 lakh 11, 12 lakh 70,000. 12 lakh 70,000. Total expenses 7, 1 plus 120, 920, 10 lakh plus 150 plus 120, 12 lakh 70,000. Profit before tax. Profit before tax 12 lakh minus 9 lakh 20,000. Third value minus fourth value 12 and 2 lakh 20,000. 2 lakh 20,000. 2 lakh 80,000. ठीक है, 2 lakh 80,000. 12 minus 920, 280 and 15 lakh. Clear? 2 lakh 30,000. 2 lakh 30,000. 280 and 230. 12 lakh minus 920, 280. 15 lakh minus 1270, 230. Tax not given. There. Difference 280 and 230. 280 and 230. Difference value 15 lakh minus 12 lakh, 3 lakh, no change, 3 lakh. 10 lakh minus 7 lakh, 3 lakh. 150 and 1 lakh, 50,000, 120, 120 nil. Clear? 12, 70 and 920, 3 lakh 50,000. 230 and 280 in bracket 50,000. Clear? Nil. In bracket 50,000. Calculate percentage. Absolute change value 3 lakh into 100 upon 12 lakh. 25%. 25% nil. 25%. 3 lakh into 100. Absolute change 3 lakh into 100 upon 7 lakh. 42.86. 42.86%. 50,000 into 100 upon 1 lakh. 50%. Clear? No change. 3 lakh 50,000 into 100 upon 9 lakh 20,000. 38.04%. Next 50,000 into 100 upon 2 lakh 80,000. 17.86. 17.86 negative value. Percentage negative 17.86. Clear? Revenue operation increase 25%, increase of 3 lakh and percentage 25%. Purchase of stock in trade increase 3 lakh, percentage increase of 42.86. And change in inventory increase 50,000, percentage of increase 50%. Clear? Total expenses increase 3 lakh 50,000, percentage of total expenses 38.04%. Clear? But profit before tax decrease. Profit decrease in other last year decrease in 17.86%. Last year comparative profit value decrease हुआ है आपका. Clear? And tax are not paid. And profit after tax 17.86%. Clear? Question number 20. Comparative statement of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2017 and 18. Comparative year 17 and 18. particular, note number 2017, 2018, absolute change, percent or absolute change according to other question. Clear? Revenue from operation 2017 given 60 lakh, 60 lakh and 56 lakh. Other income are not given. Other income not given. Total first and second 60 lakh and 56 lakh. Fourth, expenses. Purchase of stock in trade. Purchase of stock in trade 40 lakh and 36 lakh. 36 lakh. Change in inventory negative 250 and negative 4 lakh. Clear? Negative 4 lakh. Employee benefit expenses 5 lakh and 6 lakh and 6 lakh. Other expenses 1 lakh and 80,000. Clear? Total expenses 40 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 1 lakh minus 2 lakh 50,000. Total 43 lakh 50,000. Clear? Next 36 lakh plus 6 lakh 80,000 minus 4 lakh 3 lakh 38 lakh 80,000. 38 lakh 80,000. Fifth, profit before tax 60 lakh minus 40, 60 lakh minus 43 lakh 50,000. 16 lakh 50,000. Next 56 lakh minus 38 lakh 80,000. 17 lakh 20,000. Income tax not given, nil. 16 lakh and 17 lakh 20,000. Clear? Compulsory, this question compulsory, fifth adding, but according format complete. Clear? हम अगर यहाँ तक भी चाहते हैं तो नंबर मुझे पूरे मिल जाते हैं. क्लियर? बट हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, फॉर्मेट को लेकर चल रहे हैं जिससे आप कन्फ्यूजन में ना आ रहा है. तो जितना भी आपका करेक्ट होता है तो नंबर आपको फुल मिलते हैं. एब्सोल्यूट चेंज, ठीक है. 36 lakh लेस वैल्यू एंड 40 lakh प्रीवियस 4 lakh करंट वैल्यू 4 lakh प्रीवियस 250. क्लियर? माइनस 150 1,50,000. and 6 lakh 5 lakh 1 lakh positive and 20,000 negative value. Next 17 lakh 20,000 minus 16 lakh 50,000. 70,000 absolute 70,000. Clear? calculate percent. 4 lakh into 100 upon 60 lakh. 60 lakh 6.67 negative value 6.67. Clear? 4 lakh into 100 upon 40,000, 10% negative value. Clear? 150 into 100 upon 2 lakh 50,000, negative 60%. Positive 1 lakh into 100 upon 5 lakh. Clear? 5 lakh 20% positive value. 20,000 into 100 upon 1 lakh 20% negative value. Total 4 lakh 70,000 into 100 upon 43 lakh 50,000, 10.80 10.80. Repeat. 4 lakh 70,000 negative value. Clear? 4 lakh 70,000 into 100 upon 43 lakh 50,000, 10 lakh 80,000 negative value. Positive 70,000 into 100 upon 16 lakh 50,000, 4.24 positive 4.24. Clear? Very clear na? 4 lakh negative, 4 lakh into 100 upon 60 lakh 6.67, 6.67 negative value. 4 lakh into 100 upon 40 lakh negative value 10%. 1 lakh 50,000 negative, 1 lakh 50,000 into 100 upon 2 lakh 50,000 negative value 60%. Change in inventory. Positive 1 lakh into 100 upon 5 lakh 20% positive. Negative 20,000 into 100 upon 1 lakh 20% positive. Total expenses negative 4 lakh 70,000 into 100 upon 43 lakh 50,000. Calculate 10.80. And absolute change 70,000 into 100 upon 16 lakh 50,000. Calculate 4.24. Tax are not given. Percentage full. Comparative statement of profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2017 and 18. Particular note number, amount 2017, amount 2018, absolute change, percentage of absolute change. Number, revenue from operation 2017 75 lakh 75 lakh, 2018 80 lakh. Clear? Other income not given, nil. Total first plus second, total first plus second, and first value second value 75 lakh and 80 lakh. Clear? Purchase of stock in trade 36 lakh and 40 lakh, 36 lakh and 40 lakh. Change in inventory negative, previous negative 2 lakh and positive, current year positive 3 lakh. Other expenses 2 lakh and 6 lakh. Clear? total 36 lakh, 2 lakh negative, 2 lakh positive, 36 lakh, 40 lakh, 43, 6, 40, 9 lakh. Clear? Profit $75 lakh, 75 lakh minus 36 lakh, 39 lakh. Correct? Third value 80 lakh minus 40, 9 lakh, 31 lakh. Tax not given. Difference value 39 lakh and 31 lakh. Clear? Absolute change 80 lakh minus 75 lakh, positive 5 lakh, nil 5 lakh. 40 lakh minus 36 lakh, positive 4 lakh. Important point, 3 lakh minus 2 lakh means 5 lakh. Clear? 5 lakh. 6 lakh minus 2 lakh, 4 lakh. Clear? 49 lakh and 36 lakh. 49 and 36 lakh, 13 lakh. Clear? 13 lakh. Next 31 lakh, 39 lakh, negative 8 lakh. Clear? Negative profit before tax decrease in rupees 8 lakh. Percentage. Number 1, 5 lakh into 100 upon 75 lakh, 6.67%. Nil 6.67%. Next 4 lakh. Clear? Purchase of stock in inventory 4 lakh into 100 upon 36 lakh, 11.11%. Clear? Next 5 lakh positive, 5 lakh into 100 upon 2 lakh, 20 and 2 lakh, 250%. Clear? 250%. Repeat, 5 lakh into 100 upon 2 lakh, negative 250%. 4 lakh into 100 upon 2 lakh, 200%. Clear? 200%. 13 lakh into 100 upon 36 lakh, 36.11%. 36.11%. 8 lakh into 100 upon 39 lakh, 20.51 negative percent. Nil 25.51 negative. Clear? Repeat. Absolute change calculate. 5 lakh, 5 lakh, 40 lakh minus 36 lakh, 4 lakh positive, 3 lakh, 2 lakh minus plus positive 5 lakh, 4 lakh. Clear? 6 lakh minus 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 49 lakh minus 36 lakh, 13 lakh, 31 lakh minus 39 lakh, negative 8 lakh. Clear? Percentage 5 lakh into 100 upon 75 lakh, 6.67%. Means revenue from operation increase rupees 5 lakh, but percentage of increase 6.67%. Clear? Next, purchase of stock in trade increase rupees 4 lakh, increase rupees 4 lakh, but percentage of stock in trade 11.11%, and change in inventory increase 5 lakh, percentage of increase 250%. Other expenses increase 4 lakh, but percentage 200%, and profit before tax decrease rupees 8 lakh. Clear? Profit decrease rupees 8 lakh, percentage 20.51% decrease. Okay, question number 21 complete. 22. Question 22. Comparative statement of profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2017 and 18. Particular note number, amount 17, amount 2018, absolute change, percent of absolute change. According to question number 21. Given revenue operation 17, 20 lakh. Clear? And current year 30 lakh. Purchase of stock in trade previous year 12 lakh, 12 lakh and 16 lakh. Other income not given, nil. Total expenses 20 lakh and 30 lakh and 30 lakh. Change in inventory previous 2,50,000, current 1,25,000, 1,25,000. Other expenses previous 8% of revenue operation, 8% of revenue operation is 20 lakh into 8 upon 100, 1,60,000, 1,60,000, and 10% of revenue operation, 10%, 3 lakh, 30 lakh into 10 upon 100. Clear? Next, profit of total expenses 12 lakh. Clear? 12 lakh plus 250 plus 1 lakh 60,000, 16 lakh 10,000, 16 lakh 10,000. Next, 16 lakh plus 3 lakh minus 1 lakh 25,000, 17 lakh 75,000, 17 lakh 75,000. Clear? 17 lakh 75,000. Profit before tax, third value minus fourth value, 20 lakh minus 16 lakh 10,000, 3 lakh 90,000. Next, 30 lakh minus 17 lakh 75,000, 75,000, 12 lakh 25,000. Tax not given, nil. Clear? 3 lakh 90,000, 12 lakh 25,000. Absolute change calculate. 30 lakh minus 20 lakh, 10 lakh. Clear? Nil. 16 lakh, 12 lakh. Positive 4 lakh. 120 minus and minus 250, minus plus, and negative 3 lakh 75,000, 3 lakh 75,000. Clear? 3 lakh and 1 lakh 60,000, 1 lakh 40,000 positive. Clear? 1 lakh 40,000 positive. 17 lakh 17,75,000 minus 16,10,000 1,65,000 क्रॉस चेक 4 lakh plus 1,40,000 minus 3,75,000 1,65,000 and 12,25,000 minus 3,90,000 8,30,5,000 clear. 12,25,000 minus 3,90,000 12,25,000 minus 3,00,000 8,35,000 8,35,000 growth business growth increase 8,35,000 calculate 10 lakh clear calculate 10 lakh into 100 upon 20 lakh 50% 4 lakh is purchase of stock and trade 4 lakh into 100 upon 12 lakh 33.33%. Negative value 375 and 3,75,000 into 100 upon 2 lakh 50,000 negative 150%. Clear. Other expenses 1,40,000 into 100 upon 1,60,000 87.5%. Clear. 1,65,000 into 100 upon 16,10,000. Repeat 1,65,000 into 100 upon 16,10,000. Difference total expenses 10,25,000. Clear. Profit before tax and 8,35,000 profit increase 8,35,000 into 100 upon 3,90,000 214.10%. Good performance according to previous year. Comparative 214% increase business. Policy good. 214% increase of profit comparative previous year. प्रीवियस ईयर से हम लोग कितने आगे हैं 214% आगे ग्रोथ कर रहे हैं. क्लियर. बिजनेस पॉलिसी गुड. कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन नंबर 22.